AI see the market downturn coming. Picture this. You're in a room full of finance experts, some with fancy degrees and years of experience, while others are tech-savvy wizards armed with artificial intelligence. Who would you trust to predict the future of the stock market? The role of AI in market predictions. AI has been hailed as a game changer in many fields, including finance. It's like a supercomputer with the ability to process massive amounts of data at lightning speed. By analyzing patterns, historical trends, and real-time data, AI aims to predict the future of the stock market with impressive accuracy. But how well did it actually perform in predicting the recent market downturn? Let's dive in. The predictions, spot on or way off. The good, early warnings. Some AI systems sounded alarms well before the market took a nosedive. They picked up on unusual patterns in trading volumes and economic indicators, suggesting that a downturn might be looming. This gave some investors a head start to prepare and adjust their portfolios. Data-driven decisions. AI provided insights that human analysts might have missed. By processing vast data sets, AI identified subtle trends and correlations that helped some investors mitigate losses or even profit during the downturn. The bad. Overconfidence in algorithms. While AI made some correct predictions, it wasn't infallible. Over-reliance on algorithms led some investors to ignore traditional warning signs, resulting in unexpected losses. AI models can sometimes struggle with unexpected global events or shifts in market sentiment that aren't easily quantified. Complexity and misinterpretation. AI systems can be complex, and not everyone fully understands how they work. This complexity sometimes leads to misinterpretation of the predictions, causing investors to make decisions based on incomplete or misunderstood information. The indifferent. Human touch still matters. Investors who relied solely on AI did not necessarily fare better than those who combined AI insights with human intuition and experience. The best outcomes often come from a balanced approach that leverages both data-driven predictions and human expertise. AI versus human experience, the ultimate showdown. Investors who depended on AI had access to a wealth of data and insights, potentially giving them a leg up in terms of preparation. However, those who relied on their experience and market intuition sometimes outperformed AI-driven decisions, especially when the algorithms failed to account for sudden geopolitical events and dramatic economic shifts. In essence, neither AI nor human experience alone guaranteed success. It was the combination of both that proved most effective. AI data-driven insights complemented human intuition, allowing investors to make more informed decisions in a volatile market. Conclusions. Lessons learned. So, did AI predict the recent market downturn accurately? The answer is a bit of a mixed bag. While AI offered valuable insights and early warnings, it wasn't a crystal ball. The key takeaway is that AI is a powerful tool, but it works best when combined with human judgment. Several companies successfully navigated the recent market downturn by leveraging both AI and human expertise. Here are some notable examples: BlackRock, JP Morgan Chase, Goldman Sachs, Renaissance Technologies, and Bridgewater Associates. These companies demonstrate the effectiveness of combining AI's analytical power with human intuition and expertise to achieve more accurate market predictions and adapt to economic shifts. As we move forward, investors are likely to continue embracing AI, but with a healthy dose of skepticism and a reliance on the age old wisdom that the market is unpredictable. The future of finance may be digital, but the human element remains indispensable. In the world of finance, the marriage of AI and human experience is not just a strategy, it's the key to navigating the unpredictable seas of the stock market. Stay safe, stay secure, and who knows? Maybe one day AI will truly become the crystal ball we all dream of. But until then, a little human intuition goes a long way. I'll see you again soon. Bye bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.